In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a small business owner. We'll start inside your ClickUp workspace. On the left sidebar, head to Home. This is your command center. From here, look for the Spaces section and click the plus icon next to it. A space is a dedicated area for a function of your business, like operations, sales, or HR. In the name field, type a clear, simple title. Let's use operations as our example, so your team instantly knows what lives here. Add a brief description that explains the purpose of the space, such as what types of work and outcomes belong in operations. A 1 or 2 sentence summary is perfect for onboarded teammates later. Click. Continue to move into setup. When you're asked to define your workflow, choose the starter workflow for now. It's a streamlined collection of statuses that's ideal if you're just getting organized. You can always expand it later as your processes mature. Next, review your default views. Views are different ways to look at the same tasks. List for details, board for drag and drop stages, calendar for deadlines. Pick the views you'll use most so everyone opens the space already oriented. You'll then see task statuses. These are the steps a task moves through, like to do, in progress, and complete. Keep it simple at the start. Clarity beats complexity when you're rolling out a new tool. You'll also see click apps, which are optional features you can toggle on, like time tracking or priorities. Only enable what you know you'll use right now to avoid clutter. When that's done, click Create Space. Your operation space is now ready. Open the space and add your first task. Type in a clear task title for operations. Be specific so it's actionable. Open the task and assign it to the right person so ownership is obvious. Then choose a due date. Dates help you prioritize and make timelines visible across views. After setting those, click Save. To control how you're looking at the work, click View at the top and select the layout that fits your current need. List for detailed editing, board for status changes, or calendar for planning by day and week. You can switch views anytime without changing the actual tasks. From here, keep adding tasks that match your operations processes. As your business grows, create additional spaces to separate departments like HR and finances, so each area has its own workflows, statuses, and views. This keeps information tidy, access clear, and reporting easier. That's it. You've set up a practical structure, created tasks, assigned owners and dates, and chosen views that keep your small business organized inside ClickUp.